Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2018 Ford Transit equipped with the side entry power lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. We will first open up the door. You can use this hand pendant on the side to bring the lift down. So this lift here is 34 inches wide. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. So this Transit here is going to be set up for 3 wheelchairs at the same time. You do have the opportunity to add a gurney in here, so you can add 1 gurney and 1 wheelchair at the same time. In the back here you will have an additional 2 seats, and this van here only has 95,000 miles. Let's go ahead and come back down. Let's go ahead and check out the view from the back. We also offer financing for all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this one here has 95,000 miles. It will also have a backup camera with a reverse beep. Here is the view of the front, and then here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.